5 things to know before the market open, or what actually happened this week. The US dollar index at a 3-week high and was on track for weekly gain of about 0.4% as the US economy showed resilience and strength. Point number 2, jobless claims applications rose slightly to 210,000 but remained near the lowest level in 8 months, indicating a tight labor market and low layoffs. Point number 3, consumer spending increased by 0.6% in September, boosted by high wages and inflation expectations, while personal income rose by 0.7%. Point number 4, the S&P 500 index closed at a record high of 4,615 on Thursday, up 1.3% for the week, as strong earnings reports from tech giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon lifted the market sentiment. Point number 5, the bond market saw a modest rise in yield as the Fed signaled it would start tapering its monthly assets purchases in November while keeping the interest rate unchanged near zero. So anyways, good morning guys. I hope everyone is doing great. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Later on, we're going to be on Trader Nick channel. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Check my description. You will find my contacts or my WhatsApp link. Then you can talk to me there. What's really happening on DXY? Nothing much. I think you can easily see that the market is still actually on an uptrend. During, I think it was Wednesday. Actually, Wednesday, Tuesday, the market was around, not Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, the market was around this area trying to push the upside. And guess what? Yes, the market is pushing to the upside. That means that the dollar is actually getting stronger. As you can see, this is a dollar index, which means when we see it pushing up, it means the dollar is way too strong, right? I hope you understand that. So which means expect some suffering from other pairs as the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. Simple as that. So we're not going to waste much time. We are still actually on a very straightforward uptrend. So what's really happening on JPY? I think we need to check our economic calendar. I forgot to check that. So what's really happening today, or yesterday actually? Yesterday there was interest rates from Europe. We never saw, they did not actually increase anything there. Unemployment claims, it was a bit higher. And that made actually the dollar to lose that strength, but not that much. This Friday, 2:30, we have core PCE. This sometimes moves the market, but not really that aggressive. But I think around that time, we will also be going on Trader Nick channel. So we will be busy there, actually chopping the economic calendars, right? So now let's go straight to the charts. What's really happening on JPY? The market is still actually trying to respect our downtrend. Very nice. We saw a respect actually from Wednesday, Thursday there. The market did touch that area. Now the market is trying to push the lower side. But what we see here is we already marked that area. We have a very nice support and it's very closer. So for us to take that sell, the market has to reach that area quite similar to here. Or maybe the market will even push even a little bit higher before we see a sell. Or maybe the market will break this support, then we can take a quick sell. But remember, we also have a support down there. Simple as that. The reason we're looking for sell is we are actually on a downtrend, so which means 90% of the time the market will be going down. So don't confuse yourself by so many things. Just follow the trends. That's why if you want to learn about actually, if you want to learn from me, we still have this special for mentorship, right? You can see there on the screen. So if you still want to learn, let me know. It's still open. We already actually introduced each other yesterday. So which means next week, Monday, we're starting with our course or our mentorship. Now we are actually on GBP USD. Not much here, not much, but I like the structure. I like the fact that we know the direction of the market. We can easily see that, yes, the market has been doing what? It's been going down. And what I like about this is we saw it like few, let me check how many weeks. We saw it from, guys, July. Now it's October. July, let's see, it's July here, August, September, October. How many months? I think it's 4 months going down. So that actually shows us that if you understand the trends, you don't really have to go back and analyze. And I mean, every second you can easily understand that, okay, trend can last for quite some time. Your job is to just adjust the trend line and just make sure that you get it right. But this can last way too long. So which means if you saw it from this area, around the way you were just selling. Sometimes, yes, you can lose because of rejections or reversals, but 90% of the time you're gonna get it right. You see. Now, that's why we're just saying that we're waiting for the market to do what? Whether to bounce back. You can see here we are already very closer to the support. Whether the market to bounce back, reach the support, sorry, the resistance, before we look for that sell. Or maybe the market will break this support area, then we can continue selling below that area. If not, maybe we'll see the market breaking out of this resistance. Then we can say, okay, maybe the market wants to change the trend. Then we can look for a buy. But for now, we are still actually on a downtrend, and we are supposed to do what? To look for those sell position or short position, some they call it like that. Now we are actually on Euro USD. The market did not really change much because of interest rates, but I like the structure, quite straightforward. We are still actually on a downtrend. The market is still downtrending. So our job is to do what? Is to look for some very nice positions. So along the way, if you know your story, you will see that we had some very nice structures that helped us to keep doing what? To keep selling. These structures, they will just repeat themselves, you see. So, but if you know, you know. If you don't know, it's better for you to do what? To learn. That's something that I can tell you. Learn, because at the end of the day, you're going to get it right? So what I see here is we are still actually on a downtrend. The market is still downtrending. Maybe around this area, you're going to have a counter trend line. But at the end of the day, we are still on a downtrend. So which means we're just trying to find where we can actually sell. I did miss this one actually. We had a very nice support, actually a counter or inner support going up. And I said after the market breaks out here, we can take it. I missed that, but that is not really bad because the market is back again. So which means we can still look forward for the market to push to the lowest side. Then our take profit can be very closer to the support there. Something like that. Do you see that? Something like that. That can actually work. You can have your sell pending order there. The reason behind this is since the market is actually under this down bearish momentum, there is enough chance for the market to do what? To continue pushing even lower. Yes, there is a chance for the market to push up, but that now it doesn't seems like it's going to happen like that. So I think the market might reverse here. I think we need to send that signal in the group. So let's push to the next one. Actually, gold and Nasdaq US30, they were going crazy, especially Nasdaq. It was going crazy actually yesterday. So what's really happening? You can easily see that yes, the market is actually, or it was actually on a downtrend, but the market already passed that stage now. The market pushed up. What I see here is actually a consolidation. Remember, when the market breaks, most of the time, the market sometimes won't just start to continue with the next trend. Most likely the market will start by consolidating, or you can call it ranging, before the market start to push to that direction. Sometimes the market can do something like this: consolidate, then even push lower. That is possible. Sometimes the market, we call that adjustment. The market might be adjusting with that trend. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one. Sorry, before we push, you can easily see that now the market is consolidating. My job here, or our job, is to do what? To track this move, this structure. If the market breaks out, we can look for a buy there, because I think the market is actually trying to show us that it's actually on an uptrend. We broke out of that downtrend. Or maybe the market will just play games. If it plays games like that, it's fine. If it plays around this support and resistance, it's fine. But we're gonna change our mind. If the market breaks this support, then it's gonna be okay. The market now is going to do what? To look for that downtrend or continue with the previous trend, which is actually a downtrend. But for now, let's chill. It's Friday. Mostly on Fridays the market can be crazy, so you're supposed to be safe. So what's really happening actually on USD? I like the structure here. It did not actually go crazy yesterday when Nasdaq was going crazy. It did not actually go crazy, but I like the structure. It is still actually on a very nice downtrend. We are actually pushing to the lowest side, and what I see is the market is actually on the support, which means it seems like the market is trying to do what? To actually break that. And if it breaks that, guys, we will be ready. We're not going to miss that. And I think I need to send that sell signal around that area, so we might have something like this. Something like that. Do you see that? So let's go a little bit closer and see what's really happening. If you go a little bit closer, I can say let's change the time frame to 1 hour just to see what's really happening. So you can easily see that yes, the market actually also created something there. You can see, yes, we had our previous structure, perfect one, but the market created something again, broke out, came back again. So what do? You sell where it is, or maybe you wait for the market to go even below that area. I'm talking about this area. This is the previous support or resistance now. So the market created this smaller structure there. So now it's coming back. Do you sell it here? No, just because the market created this structure. It might be quite similar to this. The market might come back and start to push the upside again, or come here and push up again. You see that? So even here, the market can create that as a support. The market might start to do something like that. So the best thing for us to be in the safer space, we can do something like this and mark that area and say, okay, that is a potential support. So if the market wants to break this area, then we can take a sell. If not, maybe the market will just try to consolidate around this area, but we will be watching. We're not going to miss that, right? I don't think we're going to miss that. So I think we're going to have something like this. I think since we are actually on a downtrend, I think we're going to see a continuation of this sell. I think we're going to see a continuation of a sell. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So I think the market will be showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm continuing on this downtrend. Already we are actually on a downtrend, so which means, yeah, that might be the case there. That might be the case. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. I think even Nasdaq is doing the same thing. Yesterday we tried to have a sell, but the market actually reversed. But it seems like now the market is trying to come back again, which is going to be a very nice thing. Actually, it's going to be a very, very, very nice thing. So if you can check, Nasdaq did not really change much. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. We also had a smaller support. The market broke out of that. We saw a smaller retest there. So I'm confident that maybe the market will be doing what? Continuing pushing to the lowest side. I think the market will be going down, guys. And if that happens, obviously, we will be ready to take another sell. Sometimes, guys, just because we know that the market is going to go down, sometimes the market can reverse. And if maybe your stop loss is here, the reversal, just look. If maybe you entered, let's say, a sell here, just look, this reversal there. It's way too far. We can't handle that. So, but now the market is back. This is the only thing that actually makes us to lose. Not maybe we were wrong, but sometimes just because the market can reverse to an aggressive, like, with aggressive candlesticks, sometimes we get out. But if we get in again, we might be right this time and we continue with the trend. So we don't really need to say, oh, we're not going to lose because we know where the direction is. No, sometimes you know where the market is going, but you can still take a loss there. I hope you understand that. Because sometimes the market can be so volatile to a point where you can't handle the stop loss. Like, you can't just have a crazy stop loss like that. You see, you can't have that. So sometimes just appreciate, take a loss. You can easily recover that. But if you are that person who always adjusts the stop loss, sometimes it's good because the market will come back in your favor. But most of the time, you will always lose more than what you make. and that is not actually a good thing. So anyways, on Nasdaq, I still think the market can still continue going down, as the market is actually still on this downtrend. And remember, trends last very long, so which means even if we see some reversal here and there, just know that we are still going on this downtrend. Trends can last even years, guys, so just don't confuse the two, right? So anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. Bye.